Complaints against the composition of the Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Committee have sprung up, even before it starts scrutinizing the Constitutional Amendment Bill number 2 of 2017, which seeks, among other things, to amend the presidential age limit of 75. The move of the bill, Igala West MP Raphael Magyezi says the committee is already biased and should be reconstituted. Magyezi argues that most of the opposition members on the committee will not give him a fair hearing.
I'll address this through the government's chief whip, that as a member of parliament, as a move of this bill, I want to face a committee which is open-minded, not a committee where people have already taken sides.
His statement follows the committee's decision last week to refuse Chaka South MP Jackson Kafuzi, who seconded the motion and who is also a member of the committee, from giving the submissions as they scrutinized the bill.
If you are saying Honorable Kafuzi supports me, how about Honorable Segona, who opposes me? How about all the other members of parliament who are on that committee, who have expressly said we don't agree with this one?
Those MPs who are against amending Article 102B of the Constitution are contemplating whether to attend sittings when the committee starts its work on 31st October. Opposition Chief Whip Ibrahim Semujunganda says they have tasked the Shadow Attorney General to review the legality of the committee's work before submitting anything to it.
So we have tasked the Shadow Attorney General to go and study all the positions that are available, the legal ones, the letters from court, and then advise us, because we don't want to join the NRM in breaking and undermining courts of law.
Meanwhile, legislators opposed to the bill will embark on joint nationwide consultations this Friday, starting with Kampala and Wakiso districts. Semuju says they have notified the police and expect no interference.
It is up to them. If Mr. Kayihura thinks that we are not leaders worth speaking to our people, then we will mobilize our people to deal with the police, the same way we mobilized ourselves to deal with SFC in the parliamentary chambers. If that's the route they want us to take, we will go there.
Parliament is expected to give each MP 20 million shillings for consultations in their constituencies. The opposition say they will not take the money. Herbert Ziwa, NTV at Parliament.